out here in late October in southern Ontario sampling athletic fields today. This one happens to be a high school football field. I've been working with this field for about 2 seasons, and this field's had some issues right from early construction. I think this field's about 10 years old, maybe not quite. The problem is, this is a sand-based field, obviously high sand content, and right from original grow-in, the field was sodded with a topsoil sod, or a sod material with a lot finer material than the root zone was designed for. So we've got a perched water table on top of a coarser material, shallow rooting, poor drainage, weak turf in general. It's been an interesting project. What we did originally is we took some physical soil tests. We did a lower sample of the root zone material to get a true perspective of the particle analysis in the root zone, and then we did an upper of, let's say, the top 2 inches of the organic or finer material, and there obviously was some real compatibility issues there. So we came up with an appropriate top dressing material designed for the root zone, and we've developed some strong cultural programs and increased the fertility and that sort of thing to over time correct the issues on this field, because reconstruction is just not an option in this particular case. So here's an example of what this field looks like underneath, and this is a core sample. This is about an 8-inch core, and as you can see, the sandy material underneath with that dark organic layer on top, basically topsoil. The other issue is the field was top dressed from a previous program with basically a top dressing material that was not compatible with the root zone as well. So they kind of increased the issue over a 2 or 3 year period by top dressing with the inappropriate material, I should say. So on a positive note, this field, being right in the middle of football season, is actually looking better than I've ever seen it, which is positive, but it still has a long way to go. So I guess the point I want to make in this particular case is it's really important to choose the appropriate sod for the root zone material that you've built your field out of. And this is a perfect example. Thanks.